Hey YouTube, this is Valencia Raven come to you guys with a video on how to get this deep red arbor type deep side part for my lovely model here. So for the color, her hair was already processed red on this side, so we went with a red, magenta, and then a true violet in high color, and we used a 30 developer, and I set her in the dryer for like 30 minutes. So this is just me placing the hair, really going section by section, because she only wants a side part. She doesn't want her whole head red. I think we're gonna do her whole head red next time. Sorry if y'all hear the trash can out there, because I'm trying to do this and they taking out the trash. Anyway, this is gonna be going through her hair, and then I'm gonna put a cap on her and sit her under the dryer for about 30 minutes, and boom. Now that her leave out is processed, I'm going to part that out, and then I'm going to start with my braid down. For my braid downs, I like to do the small anchor braids in the front. I do one on this side, and then on the other side I do 2 anchor braids, and then I go into 2 beehives. So that's what I'm going to do, split the hair in the middle and do 2 beehives. So normally I like to go in with a net always for my clients, but this is my model, aka my niece, aka my model, and she absolutely freaking hates a net. But kind of find out, she's like, actually, I want a net now because she see that the hair without a net is not stable. So I normally don't do this, but I'm gonna be sewing it on without a net for her comfortability. But anyway, what I like to do, my little tip for like going faster as far as like doing a sew in, I like to take that clip right there and put it on opposite sides, so therefore I don't have to hold the track and I can just sew away. And I also thread all my needles before I do any weave or any service because I want to be able to just go and flow. And that's pretty much what I did here. Every time I went to a certain way and I knew the track was long enough, I would just clip it to the side, because you see I'm holding it right now. That was just too tedious, like way too tedious. So I had to clip it, had to. Now that I've sewn in all her tracks, I'm going to go in and trim the ends because this hair is raw Cambodian hair that I sold to her. And this is like her 4th time using it. She's had this hair for over a year. So the ends are tattered and she's been wearing it. We colored it. It's just, the hair's been through a lot. So we're going to be cutting the ends and adding some face framing layers just so it doesn't have like a weird, length at the bottom. Because once you use hair over and over again, you're going to have some inconsistencies. You might not get the hair the same length all the time. You might just put the longer at the top or the shorter at the bottom. You never know. But this is what I did. And for her leave out, I'm going to use some foams, Pump It Up foam, and just lay her hair down because I want her leave out to last. She has very thick hair, and if I don't use some type of something, it will revert really fast. So on top of that, I put that on, and then I put on a little cap and sit her under the dryer so that she can have a nice flat leave out for weeks to come. So after she's in the dryer for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take my Marcel irons and I am just going to press that hair out because you cannot leave the leave out left out, okay? But yeah, I'm just going to press the leave out, put some Cure wax stick on it, and then press it out real nice and neat. And then it's time to curl her hair. And after I let her hair sit, I take out her curls, and this is pretty much the final look. I'm just gonna be playing with it, and she's obviously feeling herself, and we're looking cute. Hit her with some hairspray, some sheen spray, and she is done. This is the look. I'm going in to straighten her leave out once again, and this is the look. So if you want to watch the rest of these little clips, you can, but it's just me playing her hair. Super cute, super girly. Why not? And if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section, because I'm really trying to get back into this YouTube thing, and baby, being in the salon and trying to record and trying to edit is hard, because this hairstyle was like literally over a month ago, and I'm just now editing it, and it's December 2nd, and I'm about to put it up. So yeah.